Good morning. Today we are going to see what are the things that we have learned from this chapter 2 Introduction to Windows 7. These are the wrap-up points we have to recall here. For everyday applications and entertainment, Windows offers great number of utility programs. Utility programs in a sense, the software that helps to manage, maintain, and control the computer resources. Operating systems typically contain the necessary tools for this, but separate utility programs can provide improved functionality. Utility software is often somewhat technical and targeted at users with a solid knowledge of computers. If you use a computer mostly for email purpose and some internet browsing and for typing, you may not much need for these kind of utilities. However, if you are a ardent computer user, these utilities can make sure your computer stays in tip-top shape. Here I am going to show what are the utilities tool that provided by Windows 7. Here, go to Start menu and go to All Programs and select the accessories. Here you can find the system tools. Inside the accessories, system tools will be there. These are the different kinds of utility tools. First, this character map is used to find the fonts which is plus existing in your computer. This is a settings that we can change in our computer. This is control panel in which we can uninstall all the programs and we can see what are the installed software that existing in your computer. This disk cleanup, this one I have explained you that this disk cleanup help to clear the cache memory and temporary internet files. Disk defragmenter, this is a tool that organize all the files in a separate way so that the files are not scattered somewhere else, that make our computer to run faster and efficiently. Internet Explorer, it is one of the default browser, like it is not a third party browser, it is a default browser which is belonging to Windows. But now we are using Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, like that. This is Internet Explorer also a browser, web browser. Private character editor, next. This one is we can use this tool to edit the fonts. Resource monitor, this one monitoring our computer for all time. System information, if you by using this tool you can see what are the things are available in your computer, how much of space is there, and what is the OS you install in your computer, and what are the graphics card used in your computer. And you can see the version of the Windows that you have installed. Task scheduler, this task scheduler helps you to run the programs at the time you set. Windows EC transfer reports and Windows EC transfer, these both are similar, but this helps you to transferring the files. So these are the different kinds of system tools, these are different kinds of utility programs provided by default in Windows 7. Next, the Windows Media Player can help us to copy songs from our favorite CD DVDs into computers. It is easy to save information on CD DVD just like on our disk. This Windows Media Player, we know that we don't need any third party software to copy the songs and videos in a CD and DVD. In the same way, CD and DVD we can use it as a hard disk. Those are the ROM, read only memory. We cannot delete the file from the CDs and DVDs. But pen drive is totally different. We can delete the file and we can rewrite the file. But in DVD and CDs, it is a read only memory, so that we cannot delete the files. Next, Digital folders, images, graphics files can be stored in picture folder. Here, all the pictures will be saved in the picture folders. Where we can find these picture folders? Here, we have to go to Start menu. Then we have to select the pictures which is given here. If you select the pictures, the picture folder will be shown. And there are some default sample pictures as given by Windows 7. These are the sample pictures, and you can change the destination folder of the pictures also by changing the path in it. Next, the disk cleaning up feature helps your computer to run faster, and it can help to free up your disk space by removing the unnecessary file. I told you about disk cleanup, right? Which is presented in the system tools. We have to go to all programs, start all programs, accessories, and in system tools, if I go means I can see this disk cleanup. If I click this, we can select the drive that we can clean up, we want to clean up. If I select the C drive, whatever drive I want to clean up, I can select, but I am selecting the C drive as the C drive is the mother drive of the computer. So I give OK. After a while, a window is opening, a pop-up is opening that it is calculating the amount of file that need to be removed, and those files are system error memory dump files. See, they are scanning the system error memory dump files. Those files are junk files that is needed to be removed. So that files are being scanned here. Once I click the disk cleanup, it shows a window like we have to select the disk. After that, it's scanning the file inside the disk. So see, these are the different kind of file: downloaded program files, temporary internet files, game statistics files, and recycle bin files, setup log files, temporary files, thumbnail files, per user achieved window error report. See what are the files are existing here. These temporary internet files are the browsed files that is not deleted, and these recycle bin files are in the recycle bin. The files are not deleted, those files are kept here, shown here. And you can see there is a temporary file which is of 1 GB. See the temporary files of 1 GB. So these things are needed to be deleted, so I'm selecting everything. See the amount of, see the size, the file 1.31 GB. It is a big size. If I give OK, a pop-up window is shown like, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? You have to give delete files. Then the disk cleanup process is being done. See, they are cleaning the temporary files, all the files. So it is cleaned. So this is how we have to perform the disk cleanup, and by doing this disk cleanup, our computer run faster.